Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word. And in this video, I will show you how to remove password protected from any Word file, whether online or offline, without any stress. Like for instance, this particular Word file right here is being protected with password. If I click on enter, you find out that it's going to require password, just like what you see right here. In some cases, if you can no longer remember the password, that is where you can use online. But if you can still remember the password, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can remove the password without any stress. So let's go ahead and start with removing password from the MS Word file offline. So for that, go ahead and enter your previous password that you used to log the document. So go ahead and enter the password and hit on OK, just like so. Now we have the file open back. This is for offline method. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and save this file. So for us to remove the password totally offline from the file, so what we want to do is to come to the top right here, click on file, then go ahead and click on info, then go ahead and click on protect document, go ahead and hit on and click with password, then go ahead and make sure you highlight and backspace, and go ahead and hit on OK. Now the password has been completely removed. Lastly, we need to save this file in any format once we remove the password. For that, go ahead and click on Save As. Then you have to click on the file destination, browse the file. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and choose where you want to save the file. So this particular file here, I'm going to save it in my desktop right here. Then I'm going to select a folder for that. I'm going to save it in this particular folder. Then I'm going to call this remove password. Remove password, just like so, and it has been saved into this folder. Next thing I'm going to do here, save as type. Click on here and choose any other type of file you want right here. As for me, I'm going to still save it in Word document. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on save right here, and in a few seconds the file has been saved. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here. The next thing we want to do is to locate the file destination. So for that, I save the file in this folder right here. I'm going to click on this folder, press enter. Then we want to make sure we locate the folder right here, so you can see remove password. Go ahead and hit enter, and in a few seconds it's going to load up, and then the file is going to be successfully open without asking for password. This is for offline method. But should in case you forgot a password or you do not have access to the password, that is when you go to online and solve this problem. For that, let me quickly show you on how you can unlock or remove password from MS Word file online. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here. Then what we want to do is to bring out our browser. So I'm going to make use of Chrome browser right here. So after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to make sure you type in this particular URL right here, products.groups.docs.am. Go ahead and launch this particular website. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here, continue to scroll down right here, and make sure you go ahead and navigate to unlock right here. So once you get here, scroll down right here and choose the file format you want to unlock. For instance, I want to unlock this particular Word document. Go ahead and select Word document. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do, remove password from Word. Go ahead and click on browse file right here. Once you click on browse file, locate where you have your MS Word with password on your PC. So I have it on my desktop right here. Then I'll go ahead and select it, hit on open. Just like so, you'll go ahead and click on never right here. Your file is now unlocked and ready to access. What you need to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on download right here. So click on download now. Then we have it right here. So I'm going to change this to move password. Then go ahead and click on save to my download folder. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and go to my download folder. So I'll go ahead and select this folder. Then I'll make sure I look for download folder right here. Click on download folder. Then I have it right here. So let's go ahead and open the file. Just like so. Then go ahead and click on make it editable. And the file has been successfully opened back in my MS Word right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.